In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and export audio using Audiomass. Audiomass is a free, browser-based audio editor, which means you don't need to install anything to get started. Open your preferred web browser and go to audiomass.co. Once the page loads, upload your own sound by dragging and dropping the audio file right onto the window. You'll see the waveform appear when the file is loaded. Larger files may take a moment, so give it a bit of time if you're working with a long recording. Most common formats, like MP3 and WAV, will load without issue. When your audio is open, move to the top of the screen and head over to the File menu. Click File, then choose Export/Download. This opens the Export panel where you'll decide exactly how your finished file will be saved. Start by editing the file name so it's clear and easy to find later. Next, choose your format. MP3 is great for small file sizes and quick sharing. WAV and FLAC are higher quality options. WAV is uncompressed and large, while FLAC is lossless but a bit smaller than WAV. If you pick MP3, you'll also choose a bitrate, 128, 192, or 256 kbps. As a rule of thumb, 128 kbps keeps files small and is fine for voice notes. 192 kbps is a balanced choice for most uses. And 256 kbps offers better fidelity if you want cleaner music or richer sound. Below that, pick mono or stereo. Mono combines everything into a single channel, which can reduce file size and is often perfectly fine for podcasts, voiceovers, or conference recordings. Stereo preserves left and right channels, which is helpful for music or anything where the stereo image matters. You'll also decide whether to export the whole file or export selection only. If you've already highlighted a specific part of the waveform that you want, choose export selection only to save just that portion. If you want everything in the project, choose the whole file. If you're unsure, the whole file option is the safest bet. Once your settings look good, click Export. Audiomass will process your project and prepare the download. This can take a few seconds to a bit longer depending on your file size and chosen format. When it's ready, the file will either download automatically or your browser will ask where you want to save it. Check your downloads folder if you don't see it right away. And that's it. You've uploaded your audio, set your export preferences, and saved your final file from Audiomass.